afternoon and welcome to Skyward Cars on this absolutely freezing Saturday afternoon. Just the sort of day you want to be out doing this video, but such is the joys of the motor trade. Anyway, here we have, I think, a beautiful metallic blue Zetec S125, and as you can hopefully tell, walking around her, she's absolutely straight as an arrow and HPI cleared with only 31,000 miles on the clock. This one looks to me to be one that has been purchased pre-reg, because the owner on the logbook bought it in 2009, shortly after it was registered. So they basically had it for all 31,000 miles, I would suggest. And it shows, because it's unmarked. The interior, the exterior, I'll show you in the boot and under the bonnet in a minute, are, well, like new. Or I should say like a car that's done 31,000 miles to be accurate. Right, let's start her up. It's the 1.8 Duratec Zetec engine, so it's a lovely strong engine, barely running. I'd suggest at this mileage. Driver's door open, David. Have to shut it to get the mileage. What's that saying? 31,484 miles. MOT'd until November 2024. It's got all the original keys. Air conditioning is working beautifully. The normal features that come with this S model. So you've got things like 12 volt power outlet in there, another 12 volt one there, CD, if anybody is into CDs still. And if we pop the bonnet, whoopsie daisy, oh dearie me, David, for which I will need the key, because that's the way it works on a Focus, as people may know. Pop the key in here, to the right, to the left, and then, yes, do two hands. That's it. Yes, 1.8 Duratec engine. The oil is golden, full service history, so you'd expect that. No discoloration in the water, all the levels are correct. We'll give it a bit of a clean under here, I think, because there's a few cobwebs. But yeah, if we have a look in the boot, check the spare. Should have done that earlier, I guess. Hopefully it's got a spare rather than the run flat kits. You can see there how good it is. The carpets are unmarked. Yes, the spare. So that's all in place. And you, thank you very much. And if we look inside, here we go. Unmarked carpets, unmarked headlinings. Really, this is a cracking car. Somebody's going to be, I think the first person to see this is going to want it, particularly with that sort of warranted mileage on it, 31,000 odd miles. It drives as you might expect a car of that mileage. Everything working beautifully. Don't know what to add really. Being the Zetec S, it has all the things like the rear spoiler, fancy bits around the exhaust there, nice alleys, side skirts. Alleys aren't curbed. Front has these grills, the normal fog lights. It's just got that bit more style, I guess, which may be what the S stands for, who knows, or sports. Okay, any questions, please give me a call and I'll answer them. If you look at our website, skywardcars.co.uk, you'll find all the pictures and the link there to our Auto Trader advert, which will have absolutely everything: service history, PDI, all the paperwork, anything you could wish for. This car is ready to go. Okay, give me a call if you've got any questions. My name is Dave. Thank you very much. Bye.